It feels special walking onto Furman's campus for the first time, and that feeling doesn't go away. It only gets stronger with time. The jitters of move-in day and meeting your roommate turn into late nights you wish would never end. Those awkward introductions at the student life fair turn into a club of people you can't imagine your life without. That first day of classes becomes newfound knowledge and strong relationships with your professors. That first meeting with your career advisor will evolve into landing your dream internship. Cheering on the Paladins for the first time turns into painting yourself purple by senior year. Getting ready for the homecoming carnival with your hallmates turns into lifelong memories. Staring at a map and dreaming of a faraway land becomes studying abroad and seeing it all for yourself. An idea that you have walking to class becomes summer research and presenting at conferences. Before you know it, you'll be walking across a stage at graduation, and that special feeling you have right now will still be there. You'll feel at home at Furman. This is when your journey begins.